YouTube? It's your girl Melissa coming back at you with another product review. I am going to do my best to make today's review brief. I only have a few things to share with you guys on today's product. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and just get right into it. Before we go, if you are new to my channel and this is the type of content that you like, product reviews, beauty reviews, DIY beauty, things like that, definitely consider subscribing to my channel and make sure that you also hit that notification bell because that's how you'll get alerts to the latest and greatest from me. So moving into the review, today's review is actually on BoxyCharm, and I have to apologize in advance because this is actually the box for July. And the reason why I'm here today is to spill all the tea on why you should probably either cancel your BoxyCharm subscription or never subscribe in the first place. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely stick around. So I'm gonna start off with opening the box and just doing a really brief unboxing. I don't have any intention on doing any demonstrations. That could change as I open the box, but I just wanna make sure that I'm really clear that this is not that kind of video. Really what this video is about is to finally wrap up my journey with BoxyCharm and to let you know what I really think of the service. So I started BoxyCharm in early spring of this year, and I was really excited as a YouTuber. You know, it gives me content for my channel. I get to try new products. It's something that's affordable, so I was able to really try a lot of things at a low price point, which was a huge advantage for somebody doing reviews. However, I have been repeatedly disappointed in BoxyCharm's service, their ship times, the products and the boxes. It has just been plain awful. So the reason why I'm opening the July box on today, which it's the beginning of August, is because they literally shipped my box. They didn't give me any notification saying they shipped my box, just that they charged me for it. And then they said that it delivered to my house, but it didn't. And I definitely check every day. The package wasn't there. Being that I do this for YouTube and I'm trying to get an early start and be able to let you guys know what's in the box, I was extremely frustrated because I lost an entire month of spoilers, right? Like I wasn't able to tell you what was in this month's box. So it really defeated the purpose. But then as I thought about it and understanding that like last month I was ready to cancel, I thought that it was still valuable to come today and to show you what was in the box briefly, but more importantly to tell you that I really have not had the best experience and don't really feel strongly about maintaining the subscription. So I actually canceled about 2 weeks ago when they said that they were shipping me my replacement box. Luckily, I got in touch with someone and they did do that for me. I did drop my name and said that I was a YouTuber, so that may have helped because they obviously don't want me to say negative things about them, but I'm not in any kind of affiliation or sponsorship. Even if I was, I don't lie about whether or not I like products because somebody's gonna give me an ambassador discount or an affiliate program. In a nutshell, they sent me the box. Here it is. So this is what is inside. And we'll just quick run through this and then I will come in the end and let you know what the advantages are and what the disadvantages are so that you as a consumer can make an educated decision on whether or not it's something that you would want to even give a try or if maybe there's some other boxes that might be better. So last month's theme for July was fantasy. So first up, we've got Outre 8-in-1 CBD multi-purpose nutrient mist styling aid. Guessing that this is for hair. It says this leave-in conditioner packs 8 powerful benefits into one, enhances body and manageability, detangles hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to refresh hair and add shine. Retail value, $30. So that's interesting. I have never heard of CBD hair products before, or the brand. Bring that up close so you can see. Then we've got Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. Dermalect Outre successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. The anhydrous formula features 3 tremendously effective forms of retinol actives in a concentrated, microencapsulated delivery system. That was a mouthful. So it's a retinol serum. That would have been really much easier to say. So this is the product. It's an ounce. Retails at $39. Next up, Beauty Vault Erupt Lip Set. I'm sorry, that sounds like a cold sore outbreak. This lip set includes a liquid matte lipstick and a lip liner to create a full luscious lip look. Retails at $18.50. So that is the product, and that is the shade, the lip liner, and the actual gloss. What I find already really interesting is the lip liner says Carmen on it, and the lip gloss says Natty Nat. So they're literally not even the matching colors, and neither of them say anything about Erupt on them. So I feel like this was just like a mishmash thrown in a box, and the colors are not complementary. I don't know if you can see, but this is like an orangey, I don't even know, like orangey red, and this has definitely got like a fuchsia magenta vibe to it. So that's not gonna go together. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Next, we've got Mud Masky, and that is the delicate skin around the eyes is 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of the face, making it the first place to exhibit signs of premature aging, such as dark circles and fine lines. This serum contains a blend of all-natural vitamin C, a superfood ingredient essential for firming the skin. With a refreshing and powerful antioxidant effect, this serum is ideal for all skin types. Retail, $63. Guys, this is a 1 ounce tube of something I've never heard of in my life. I'm sorry, but 63 bucks? Yeah, right. And last on the list, we've got what looks like a palette, eyeshadow palette, and Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry Palette. Express your individuality with 12 highly pigmented powder eyeshadows in satin matte and metallic shimmer. Each one delivers a color-intense finish, allowing you to create any number of unique nude looks, from natural to everyday to the perfect smoky eye. MSRP, 50 bucks. So I will go ahead and get that open so you guys can see what colors they sent. So if anybody watching this video has any suggestions on a really awesome beauty box that is superior to the Boxy charm, I would totally be open to suggestions, because I really loved the idea of doing this, and I love the idea of like trying new products and getting to test out different things for the channel. But this was just a total disappointment, and I really need a new situation. Okay, it's actually some pretty colors. I already have most of them, so it's not going to be very useful for me. But this is the palette. So as you can see, it's a lot of really natural colors. Kind of odd to add pinks to that, but in any event, they are some really useful colors. So if they are as nice as they say they are, I might get some use out of it, especially after some of my other palettes start to go down. Overall though, I definitely don't agree with any of the retail values. Like, I'm positive that any department store, like secondhand place like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, you know, they're gonna have things like this, and you're gonna be able to buy them for $9 to $12. So here's my recap. If you're somebody who is comfortable paying what it actually costs for these companies to send these really off-brand or sort of recycled or overstocked items, BoxyCharm isn't the worst deal if you're doing the base box, because you're paying $25 and that covers, you know, 5 full-size products. And if you are really truly in the market for amazing skincare and you're, you know, trying to test things out and see what you actually like, or you're somebody who is sort of like a makeup collector, or you're doing giveaways because you have a channel, you know, that kind of thing, I think BoxyCharm is okay. If you're somebody who is not like a YouTuber and you truly want high quality luxury products at an affordable price, and you really want to improve on the skincare that you have, or if you're somebody who already has amazing products and you're kind of attached to them, this might not be the best thing, because personally, I love all of the products I already have way more than the things that they've been sending me. And that's super frustrating because, you know, after subscribing for several months, I just feel like I have a whole bunch of unnecessary packages of things that will probably never get used. In some cases, it's not because the product isn't decent, but it's because I already have a product that I prefer more or that I like better, and I've already found a solution for myself, and I'm not willing to try something different because my skin is very sensitive and I'm very particular, and I have high standards for things being, you know, as natural as possible, etc. So BoxyCharm, that is not their thing at all. They are not a sustainable company. They're not a company that is going to focus on natural skincare or holistic items. It's just not, it's not their spiel. So I would say that this is not for the person looking for like high quality natural ingredients, safe products for sensitive skin. I just don't think they check that box. And for me, that's important. Next thing is the shipping. It's all over the place. And all you have to do is go to their Instagram page, like literally one time, and look at one of their posts and go to the comments. You will see dozens of people who have customer service issues, people who have canceled and they're still being charged, people who never got their box and can't get in touch with someone. Just complaint after complaint after complaint. Their customer service is not great. Now, I actually did get lucky and ended up getting a replacement box within a reasonable amount of time after I emailed them, but I still got my box like 3 days before August, and it was for July. With that being said, there have been some advantages to subscribing. One, obviously, as a YouTube content creator, it's been beneficial to have that content once a month, you know, that one video that sort of pads me. I know to expect to do a BoxyCharm unboxing every month, and I know that it's gonna be something different and exciting and something that people want to see. In truth, if I didn't already have such an attachment to so many of my existing makeup and skincare brands, I might be more willing to try. And at a $25 a month price point for the base box, you really aren't losing a whole lot. You know, I can think of a billion ways I spend 25 bucks that are much less fruitful. I was a Luxe subscriber, and my last Luxe box was horrible. I don't know if you guys remembered. I'll put a little link here at the top so that you can take a look at that video if you want, but they literally sent me a hand soap. Like, the box was heavy and I got all excited. I thought there was gonna be like a styling tool or something in there, and it was literally like a gigantic bottle, like this big, of hand soap. It didn't smell that great. There was nothing special about it. Like, the second ingredient was like sodium lauryl sulfate, or even the first maybe. It's just not impressive. Like, I'm not wowed, I'm mostly disappointed. And I think the most disappointing thing about BoxyCharm is their transparency to what it actually costs them to send these things out. Like, the average consumer is gonna get duped, and I don't want any of my viewers to be duped. So that's why I'm here. The amount of money that they say this is worth, and I didn't do any adding. I mean, you guys are smart. You can add that up if you want, but like 60 bucks, 50 bucks, 30 bucks, like, you've gotta be kidding me. Like, I will definitely find comparable, if not better products, or the same products at TJ Maxx for way, way less. And I know that they get away with that because they put MSRP, which is the manufacturer's suggested retail price, and that's like the original price, but that's not actually the going cost for those items. So they're misleading you, because in the end, the $25 you spent for that box, you might not get 5 things at TJ Maxx, but you might get 3 or 4, and they might be things you actually want, not some like mystery box that half the stuff you're not even gonna use. So all in all, I would say that BoxyCharm is a no, and I definitely canceled, and I don't plan to return back to the service. So again, hit me up in the comments below below if you guys have tried BoxyCharm and maybe tried some other services and you think that I might like them better, because I definitely still want to continue to do a monthly subscription unboxing. This just ain't it, sis. Like, for real. I think I would rather like take myself out or go get a pedicure or something with that money, because it's just, I don't know. It's just really unimpressive. But I want to thank you guys for tuning in to my channel again today. If this is your first time joining and you like today's video, I definitely encourage you to give it a like. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell too, so that you can get alerts to the latest and greatest from me. It's been amazing hanging out with you. Don't quit your daydream, and until next time.